In this video, we're diving into the details of InMotion hosting versus Hostwinds to find out which offers better VPS plans. Both of these services claim to provide excellent hosting, but which one truly delivers when it comes to performance, features, and value? Stick around till the end because I'll give you an alternative that could save you money and give you even more powerful features. Let's kick things off with pricing. InMotion Hosting offers a wide range of VPS plans, starting at about $19.99 per month for their entry-level plan. This gives you 2 GB of RAM and 45 GB of storage, which is pretty decent for basic usage. Hostwinds, on the other hand, has a more flexible pricing structure with plans starting at $5.17 per month for their managed VPS. Their basic plan comes with 1 GB of RAM and 30 GB of storage. So, right off the bat, you can see Hostwinds has a more budget-friendly starting point, but there's a catch. Their plans can get pricey quickly as you scale up. InMotion, though, stays fairly consistent with competitive pricing even for higher tier plans. Next, let's talk performance. VPS hosting is all about speed and uptime. InMotion hosting boasts an uptime guarantee of 99.99%, which is pretty solid in the industry, and their speed is generally good, especially with SSD storage included in most of their plans. However, Hostwinds also offers SSD storage, which gives it an edge in speed for similar plans. Both services deliver good speeds, but when it comes to uptime and reliability, InMotion hosting does seem to pull ahead slightly with their long-standing reputation for stability. Moving on to support. One of the key things you'll want to know about any hosting service is the level of customer support they offer. InMotion hosting offers 24/7 customer support by phone, live chat, and email. Their support is generally well reviewed, though some users have reported that response times can be a bit slow during peak hours. Hostwinds also offers 24/7 support, but they're known for their fast response times and generally more personalized customer service. It's a close call here, but if fast responses matter more to you, Hostwinds could be the better choice. The next thing to consider is the scalability of the plans. As your website grows, you'll need more resources. InMotion hosting offers great scalability options, allowing you to easily upgrade to more powerful VPS plans. However, Hostwinds might give you a bit more flexibility with their custom VPS solutions. They allow you to adjust CPU, RAM, and storage according to your needs, which means you only pay for what you use. InMotion's plans are more rigid, but they do offer some nice high-end plans if you need more performance. Finally, the ease of use. InMotion hosting has a strong reputation for user-friendly interfaces and offers an easy-to-navigate control panel, which is great if you're new to VPS hosting. Hostwinds, while also offering cPanel, can sometimes feel a bit more complicated, especially with their custom configurations. If you're looking for simplicity, InMotion might win out here. However, if you're a more experienced user or want to customize your server, Hostwinds could give you more freedom. So, what's the verdict between InMotion hosting and Hostwinds? Both offer solid VPS plans, but with different strengths. InMotion shines in uptime, support, and user-friendly plans, while Hostwinds offers more flexibility, faster customer support, and a better starting price. But if you're still undecided and want an even better option, one that offers higher performance, better support, and incredible flexibility at an unbeatable price, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to you, our viewers. Give it a try and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your needs.